Ransomware attack costs IKEA operator in Eastern Europe $23 million. Okay, so to be fair, this isn't all fully IKEA. It's like an operator of IKEA. The operator of IKEA stores in a country I will not say publicly because that's where I'm from. And if I say it, then I feel like I'm somehow participating in the stupidity behind the attack. So I'm going to skip this country. Cyprus, Romania, and Bulgaria. Low tier countries. Just kidding. I'm kidding. Has informed that the ransomware attack it suffered just before Black Friday on November 27, 2024, caused losses estimated to 20 million euros or 22.8 million. The security incident became public on December 3rd, 2024, when the group admitted that the technical problems IKEA online shops were facing were due to malicious external action. Although the company also operates Intersport, Foot Locker, and Holland & Barrett shops in the said countries, the impact of the attack affected mainly IKEA business operations. Because if you're going to get information on people, you want to know what kind of furniture they're buying so that you can call them and make fun of them as they're frustrated trying to put the furniture together. So it caused some disruptions in their store, which is kind of how they noticed it, especially around Black Friday, usually around Black Friday, e-commerce stores like kind of boost up their development practices, development tasks for the week, like the week before Black Friday. And what they do is like a battery of tests and whatnot and scale the servers up so that they can like take on the traffic that they know is going to come on Black Friday. So probably everything was running fine. And then Black Friday comes along and there's some issues and they're like, wait, like what the hell? Right. And then they notice it. So apparently there was some ransomware involved. They didn't pay the ransomware. They restored the affected systems and they were attacked several times afterward. So there was no evidence of data thefts or leaks linked to the incident, but it did cost them a lot of money. So this is one of the reasons why I wanted to bring this up. The losses don't come from data that was leaked. Nobody got access to the data inside here. What it did cause are disruptions to the shopping cart system, which means that the company lost revenue that they could have otherwise made, or that normally they would make under normal circumstances if you look historically and maybe project it out like just a little bit, right? These things can kill smaller companies, and a smaller company might just be a regular store that just like serves stuff that you care about in a local community, right? And so it doesn't actually take a full-on hack with an exposure of data or access to data. Sometimes it's enough to cause disruption to the point where a company can lose enough, let's say, money as a result of it through some form or another, and it can just completely tank them. So it can be destructive on its own, right? And that's a dangerous thing.